Welcome to Morgan TV Watch. Today's tutorial is going to help us to learn how to download videos on YouTube to our phone gallery without using any app. We all know if you visit to YouTube channel, you try to watch videos, but if you click on the download video, it is saved in our YouTube channel. But today's tutorial, YouTube videos straight into our gallery, so we can have access to them on our phone without clicking on YouTube to go and watch the videos there. So without wasting my time, let's start the tutorials. So our normal search, we go to our YouTube channel. This is my YouTube page, okay? And as I was saying, if I go to library and click on downloads, these are all videos that I have downloaded, but it is not saved in my gallery. It is found on my YouTube page. But this tutorial is going to help us to download videos into our gallery without using any app. So I would like to search a certain video that I want to download. I'll search how to prepare okra soup. Okay, so these are a list of videos concerning okra soup. Okay, I would like to take how to prepare Ghanaian okra soup without palm oil. Alright, so after looking at the video that you want to download, you click on the three dots at the right corner of the video. Then you click on share. After you have clicked on share, a pop-up menu will appear. Then click on copy link. So I've copied the link of the YouTube channel. So what is the next process? The next procedure is you go to the normal Chrome that you have been using. It can be any browser. I prefer to use Chrome. So this is the normal Chrome that we have been using. Okay. So after going to the normal Chrome, you type in www.ssyoutube.com. Kindly follow the process. You will type in www.ssyoutube.com. Then click on it. So this is the ssyoutube.com. This page will allow you to download any video that you want from YouTube into a gallery. So if you can see, it said paste your video link here. So the video link that I copied from YouTube channel, I will paste it here. So I've pasted it. I've pasted the video, the link that I copied on YouTube. So he said download videos as 720.mp4. Alright, so I want it in a high quality, so I'll go to download at 720.mp4. I've clicked on download. So this video, he said how to prepare Ghanaian okra soup. You see the video is downloading. Alright, so let's wait small and check how the video will be, whether it will save into our gallery or it will save into our YouTube channel. So he said download how to prepare. It's still ongoing. A little seconds to go. Yes, so this is how it's download. Okay, good. So the video have downloaded. Let's go and check in our downloads in our normal. So here I'll go to my gallery. This is the interface of my gallery. I'll go to downloads. So here he said this is the video here, how to download. This is how to prepare Ghanaian okra soup. Okay, So here it is found in my gallery. Let me check whether it's found in my YouTube channel. So I'll go to my YouTube channel, I'll go to my library. You see, there's no okra soup that I downloaded in my what? In my YouTube channel. So this is how you download any video that you are interested in straight into your gallery. If this video has educated you, if this video has helped you a lot, kindly like, subscribe and share Morgan TV Watch YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Watch out next for a very important video concerning how to use VPN to overcome all data that we have been using in Ghana. You see, MTN has a high cost of data. So watch out for the next video tomorrow. Watch out. Thank you so much for watching Morgan TV Watch. Stay blessed and see you later. Thank you.